Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to extend your laptop screen to another laptop screen or the monitor. To do this, the first and foremost condition is that both the laptops should be on the same LAN or the network. So suppose you are using this Wi-Fi connection on your first laptop, then you need to use the same Wi-Fi connection on your other laptop as well. Only then you will be able to extend your screen. And the other thing that I want to tell is that the first PC would be called as primary PC or the server, and the second laptop will be called as secondary PC or the client PC. So let's start the process, and what you have to do first is just go to the browser and type a URL space desk.net and hit enter. Now just click on this download button. So it will show you the driver software for the primary PC server, and if you go down, it will show you the Space Desk driver software for the secondary machine or the client machine. So depending upon the operating system you are using, you can just click on these to download them. So it is written here, Space Desk does not support Windows 7 anymore, and at your own risk, Space Desk Windows 8.1 driver can still be installed on Windows 7. So I am using Windows 7, so I will install this version, Windows 8.1 64-bit one. So if you are using Windows 7, then just click on this. But if you are using Windows 10 on the primary server, then just click on this one. So the setup is now downloaded. Let's click on this. Just click on this run button. Just click on next button. Just check mark this I accept the terms and then click on next button. Again click on next, next, and click on install button. Click on yes. Click on install button. Again click on install button. Click on install button. Click on finish button. Now just click on this yes button and just restart your system so that the changes can take place in your system. I will now just click on yes to restart it, and I will also move to the secondary PC or the client PC now. So I am now on secondary machine or the PC or the client machine, and I am now going to install the Space Desk app on this system. So just click on this Microsoft Store app in the taskbar. Click on the search bar and just type Space Desk and hit enter. Click on this Space Desk app and just click on this install button. So it has started downloading it. If it asks you for the Microsoft login, then just close that window. So the Space Desk app is now installed. Just click on launch button to launch it. Now we will move to our PC number 1. So now I am on the primary PC or the server, and I have restarted my system, and now I am going to launch that application, that is the Space Desk application. So it is showing here Space Desk server. Just click on it. So this is the IP address of our server or the primary machine, and there is no remote connection right now showing here. So now let's move to the PC number 2 or the secondary machine to establish a remote connection to this IP address 192.168.1.4. So now I am on the secondary machine or the client machine. Just click on this connection 192.168.1.4, and now the connection is established with the server machine or the primary machine. You can enlarge this window by just clicking on this maximize button. So now let's move to the server machine or the primary machine. So now we are on the primary PC, and if you just click on this tab network connection remote, so you can see that we have now successfully established a connection with the second PC or the client PC, and now we can easily extend our screen. So just close this and just press Windows along with the P key on the keyboard. Just click on this option extend our screen. So now you can use the screen of your primary PC and the screen of your secondary PC as well. And the most important use of this extended screen is that you can now work on two application window simultaneously by moving the window of second application to the secondary PC and keeping the application window of first application on the primary PC, and work easily on both the applications. So this is how you can extend your laptop screen to another laptop screen or monitor. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.